everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks for stopping in today. I've got a fun project to share with you. I've got 3 examples too that I'm going to share with you as well. But we are going to be using the Picture Perfect birthday stamp set and the matching paper pad, Picture Perfect Party 6x6 paper pad. These are super adorable. You guys know the drill. It's available in a bundle. You save 10%. I've got my stamps already mounted that I'm going to be using. I am using Berry Burst and Bermuda Bay inks for both of those. And let's see what else. I've got my little box of sprinkles and goodness, and then of course the beautiful shimmer. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is spectacular. Gorgeous. This is the Myth and Magical 6x6, Myths and Magic 6x6 paper pad, and I'm going to be using the gold. So let me set that aside, and now I've got glitter everywhere, which is just fine by me. I'm also using an 8.5 by 11 sheet of our Berry Burst cardstock. So let me share with you what I am going to be showing you how to create today, because it's super cute. Da-da-da-da! Okay. Adorable, right? It's got party hats. This screams party, happy birthday, cue the confetti, all that good stuff. Well, don't you find it kind of frustrating though when you've got paper that is super cute like this, but then it's double-sided and you're like, well, I like this side and I like that side, and what do I do? Well, here's the solution. You don't have to decide. You can enjoy both sides, and here's why. Wah! You get to see the inside as well as the outside. You get to use both sides. Isn't that so cute? I love this idea. So let me show you how quick and easy it is to put this card together. And then I've got another example here for you. I used the cookie paper here. Isn't that so cute? Now on this one I used our washi tape that is also part of the bundle, and that I love. Washi tape is so fun. This is the pack, and it is just wonderful. Tip I have for you, if you're like me and have a hard time finding your ends, just bend over the little part there, and then you can easily find it, because I'm always, scraping with my nails and can't find it. But on this one, that's what I did here for a little bit of bling. But same thing. I used the cookies paper with the yummy sugar cookies and sprinkles, and I've got sprinkles on the inside. Last but not least, here's another cute one. This is again using the glitter paper from the Myths and Magic 6x6 pack. This one simply uses the balloons. Added a little of the confetti pieces here, and then same thing on the inside. Did a little, this reminds me of like exploding fireworks. So let's get down to it, because this is super quick, super easy, and super fun. Okay, excuse me. So we're going to start with cardstock that is 5.5. So you can get 2 of these out of 1 sheet. And we are going to cut this again, turn it, and cut it at 5.5. Then we're going to score this. Hang on, hold the phone, hold the phone. Let me make sure. Yeah, see, I have to turn it this way. Okay, so on the 5-inch side, we are going to score this at 4. So let me just do this right there. Make sure you have your scoring blade, not your cutting blade. I have cut things before. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to just use our bone folder to get a nice edge. This is such a fun card. And then you don't ever have to worry about which side you like. Our glitter piece, we're going to cut this piece at 1/4 inch by 5.5. So let's see here. If I can get this Actually, I think I'm going to do it at a 1/2 inch. I'm going to do it at a 1/2 inch. So, ixnay the 1/4 inch. We're going to do a 1/2 inch by 5 1/2. I hope I'm on camera here. If I'm not, I'm sorry about that. Okay. All right. Then I'm using the Picture Perfect Birthday super cute papers. This is the one I want to use today, but these are just adorable. Adorable. Oh my gosh, so fun. I mean, you can't go wrong with that pack. All right, so this is going to be our front piece. Decide which way you want it to go, and then this piece is going to go for, turn it on its side, and this is going to be at 5 1/2. And then save these little pieces because they make great little trims. And that's all we're going to use the cutting mat for. So let's get our stamping done too. We're going to stamp on the inside first. And let's see, I don't know if I have I'll just use this for a scratch sheet. Let's do our stamping on the inside first. Where's my mat? Well, I'm going to stamp without my mat because I can't find it right now. But I am going to use the stamp that says Happiest of Birthdays right here. And I'm going to ink that up, but I really don't want to stamp it without a mat. So let me grab this one that I have just laying around here. Happiest of Birthdays. Perfect. And Berry Burst is one of my all-time favorite colors. I'm trying to find a lipstick, one of my Mary Kay lipsticks that would be a good match for this, because wouldn't this be just fantastic as a lipstick? I think so. All right, so that's it with Berry Burst for the moment. Let's do some sprinkles in Bermuda Bay, because you got to have some sprinkles. I'm not sure if that was sprinkles, but that's okay. I may have grabbed the wrong one, but I'm not going to worry about it. And then for the front of the card, we're going to stamp Let's Cue the Confetti. And that is this stamp set. This stamp, I should say. And we're going to stamp this also in Berry Burst. Voila, perfect. I may do a little trimming on that. So take back what I said about that being the end of our use of the trimmer. That's why I keep mine nice and close, because you never really know if you're going to need it again. Isn't that the truth? Mm-hmm. All right, so let's just make that a little bit. I may even make that just a skosh smaller. And then I'm just going to freehand. Now, I do have the punch, which is located right behind me here. This is our banner punch, and if you just insert this from the underside, you can flag it. All right, now I'm good to roll. All right, so let's put this together because it's just adorable. Adorable. I'm going to start with this piece. Let's put this together, and I am using the green glue again. I think I mentioned to you guys, I love this stuff. Super duper, keeps everything exactly where you want it. So I'm just going to adhere our inside piece. I'm going to take our outside piece, line it up. I'm going to add my glue here to this little flap. like so. I am going to line up my designer series piece with the end of my card, because I want to make sure everything matches up there. And then just simply fold this over like so. Isn't that so cute? I love it. And then of course this piece is going to go here. You know what? Well, I think I am. I'm going to add a little bit of the confetti cuteness to this. Just grab a piece of paper here. I can make messy, because I kind of like that, like sprinkling of fun on the front of that. And I'm going to do the sprinkling of this. I think is one of the bows. My mistake. I must have grabbed the wrong one, but it looks like confetti, so I'm going to go with it. Not a problem. There. Now we're good to go. You could pop this up too if you wanted with a pop dot. I'm not going to do that, but you could. I did that on one of the other ones, so that is always a fun element to add. So I'm just going to put this down on the bottom. And then I'm going to use one of our awesome new glue dot sequins. And I could do that, or I could do the fun green. Or I could do yellow. Or I could do orange. Maybe orange. Would orange be fun? Oh, I like the orange. Because some of the little hooter tooter party horns have that orange little funfetti on the bottom. So there you have it, you guys. That is just how quick and simple it is to complete one of these adorable cards. Then you don't have to worry about picking inside or out. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Here are another example. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and I'll have all my links there. So feel free to check everything out either here or over on my blog. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. All right, have a great weekend. I'll see you in my next video. As always, hugs from me to you. Bye! Hi everybody. Okay, hang on. I forgot to add my strip here on this cute card. I was hurrying trying to get this video under, 13 minutes. So anyways, there it is with the strip on it of the gorgeous glitter. So I hope you like that. Okay, now this video's done. As always, hugs from me to you. Give this card a try. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.